In this guide, I will show with you how to log in Bankinter Bank Portugal. So if you want to log in the bank, go to Google, search for Bankinter. This is the keyword. After that, scroll down, click on the first result here. After that, you will see this page from here, the customer login. Click on the customer login. When you click on customer login, all you have to do, write your username or your username here, guys. This is for Chris, my username, and write your password. After that, choose login option. Choose this login option, and then you will log in successfully. So, guys, if you want to log in through your app, you can download this app on Google Play or App Store. After that, when you can download this app, you can log in successfully without any problem. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content. This is how you can do to log in. Any question down below in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible.